Roland's back now with more details on Hurricane Matthew, and one of the things that we want to know is we keep talking about evacuations. We talk about Atlantic coast, but surely we're not evacuating everybody that's along the coastline.
No, what happens is, and Governor Scott's soundbite we heard at the top of the newscast was very compelling when you hear him say, evacuate, evacuate, evacuate. In hurricane country, you run from the water and hide from the wind. That means that the barrier islands, for example, areas like Miami Beach, Fort Lauderdale Beach, West Palm Beach, those barrier islands on the east side of the intercoastal, that's the area that you must evacuate. But once you get inland within a mile or so, you're in safe zone. That's when you hide from the wind. But you have to leave those barrier islands, because once that water starts to pile up, there's nowhere to go. And you could very easily drown. In fact, we lose more people from drowning with hurricanes than we do from any kind of wind or tornadic activity that these storms develop. So here's the eye of Hurricane Matthew right now. Sustained winds at 140 miles per hour. That is the island of Grand Bahama right there. It looks like we're getting some feeder bands, and these can generate tropical storm force winds around portions of Miami and Fort Lauderdale. But really, the primary concern is going to be from Palm Beach and points north. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit closer. Look at how tightly wound that eye wall is. That is an indication as it gets tighter and tighter that the storm is accelerating and it's getting stronger. And you'll notice right there a little wobble. See, comes in. Now all of a sudden it takes a little bit of a wobble out here, almost due west. So these systems don't move in a straight line. They wobble, they kind of meander back and forth. That's why the hurricane warnings are in effect right now for much of the east coast of Florida. And we'll continue to watch that very carefully. Time-lapse video here closer to home. What we've been seeing is that northwesterly flow that brings in the occasional clouds and the occasional shower, especially over the mountains. It has kept us very much on the cool side today, but we're really starting to show evidence of drier air that's moving in. Still a little scattering of showers out here around eastern Idaho, moving into Montana and Wyoming. The high so far today, 62 degrees. The average 70 degrees, so we're cooler than the average. I expected a high temperature today of right around 64, 65 degrees. Then tomorrow is when things start warming back up and we start seeing highs near 70 degrees. So the cool pattern has been associated with the jet stream. It's invited all this nice cool air to hang out across the Gem State. But now, as the jet stream begins retreating to the north, as high pressure starts building in from the south, we're going to be seeing warmer days ahead, along with lots of sunshine as well. So mostly sunny skies tomorrow, but blue skies and sunshine expected on Saturday and Sunday. It's going to be a perfect weekend. That is if you like high temperatures ranging from the mid to the upper 70s. So high temperatures tomorrow under partly cloudy skies. We'll get up to around 72 degrees here in the Treasure Valley. Those temperatures are pretty much average for this time of the year. Meridian at 72, Nampa and Caldwell also low 70s, with low temperatures tonight ranging from the upper 30s into the 40s range. Cascade and McCall will see temperatures mid to upper 50s. So as we look ahead toward the weekend, sunny skies on Saturday and 77, sunny and 78 on Sunday. And we'll keep those temperatures real nice and warm through Tuesday. And then there is a hint that perhaps we'll see some kind of a storm moving in here around the middle of next week. The mountains will see mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies this weekend, with highs in the mid to the upper 60s. Wow.
I like the sequence of storms.
It is good, yeah. I hope it pans out.
Yeah.